My name's Ron Houde. I'm an attorney at Bartlett Grippe in Cheshire, Connecticut. I grew up in Branford and went to UConn for my undergrad. I studied law at Western New England University in Springfield, Massachusetts. After law school, I went and clerked for the judges at the Hartford Superior Court for a couple of years and worked at a few downtown Hartford firms. In my spare time, I like to snowboard, I like to cook, and I enjoy spending time with my family in Durham. I fell in love with the law when I was an undergrad student at UConn. I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do, but I knew that I wanted to help people solve problems. I practice in personal injury, insurance defense. Within that, I practice specifically in defense of municipalities, in defense of insurers, and general litigation. With personal clients representing people who are injured in car accidents, dog bites, slip and falls, things like that, I like to listen and hear them and get to know them, sometimes on a personal level, and understand what their story is, what happened to them, what their goal is with the outcome of a legal dispute or lawsuit. After listening to a client's story and hearing what matters to them and what's important to them about a specific legal dispute, I take that information, I take their story, and I translate it into the language of the law. Two people arguing on their own about a specific legal dispute often won't resolve it. They need a firm like Bartlett Grippe or an attorney like me to put it into the language of the law, to be able to communicate that to a judge or a jury or the other attorney so that their position and the outcome they want are fairly represented and achieved. I feel glad that I could help somebody and that they're done with a legal dispute and they can move on with the rest of their lives knowing that that's put behind them and it's not going to come back to haunt them someday. I just feel grateful that somebody trusted me enough to put their legal dispute in my hands and that I was able to resolve it in a way that they wanted.